Imagine you could make your installations look a whole lot cleaner, but with no extra work. You can with Proficient's new Protege in-ceiling and in-wall speakers. That old fat ring around the speaker? Gone. All your customers see with Protege is the magnetically attached grille. But for you, nothing really changes. That's because we use the acoustical designs for Protege straight from our regular speakers. The sound is the same, even the mounting is the same. You get a clean new look with the same great sound and the same great installation. And you'll get some very happy clients too. Just what you expect from Proficient.